Hello guys, and welcome to Math Made Easy with Mr. T. Welcome!
Hello guys, let's solve inequalities easily. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. Let's begin. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. Let's do this. Number 1. 3a is less than 15. 3a is less than 15. How are we going to solve this? Our objective first is to isolate the variable. We are going to isolate the variable by removing any number near it. In this case, the number is 3. How are we going to remove that? By doing division. We are going to divide 3. Again, when you divide 3 on the left side, do that also on the right side of the equation. The inequality sign separates the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. You are doing this so that the equation will be balanced. So, we're going to divide also 3 on the right side. 3a divided by 3 is 1, or cancel it. It cancels it, right? Leaving our variable isolated. Okay, then we'll just copy the variable. Then let's just bring down the inequality sign, which is less than. Then the answer, 15 divided by 3, 5. Just like that, our final answer, a, is less than 5. You got it! Let's continue. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. Let's do this. Number 2. 7s is greater than negative 21. 7s is greater than negative 21. In order for us to answer this, don't forget that our objective is to isolate first the variable. How are we going to isolate the variable? By removing any number near it. And in this case, that number is 7. So, we are going to divide 7. Don't forget that when you do division on the left side, also do that on the right side. And the inequality sign separates the left side and the right side of the equation. So, we should also divide the right side by 7, okay, to make the equation balance. When you do that, we cancel 7, leaving our variable isolated. Okay, copy it, and just copy the inequality sign, greater than sign. And the answer, negative 21 divided by 7. When you divide different signs, the answer is negative, and that is negative 3. You got it, just like that. Our final answer, s, is greater than negative 3. Again, our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. Let's do this. Number 3. Negative 4n is greater than 12. Negative 4n is greater than 12. Again, we need to isolate the variable, okay, by removing any number near it. And in this case, it's a negative 4. Every time you divide a number on the left side, do that on the right side. Don't forget that the inequality separates the left side and the right side. So we're going to also divide negative 4 on the right side, okay? That cancels negative 4 isolating our variable n. Then, okay, this is very important, guys. You must remember this. Okay, when you divide or multiply both sides of an equality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. Again, if you divide or multiply both sides of an equality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. So this is greater than sign. Okay, so we flipped it. It became, less than sign. Okay, then after that, just solve 12 divided by negative 4. Again, different signs will give you negative answer. Positive 12 divided by negative 4, it's negative 3. Just like that, guys, our final answer, n, is less than negative 3. You got it. Let's have additional practice. Our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. Let's do this. Number 3, negative x is less than or equal to 5. Negative x is less than or equal to 5. Okay, so again, we need to isolate the variable, and you might not see there is 1 in there. It's negative 1x. Okay, so we need to remove that negative. Okay, if there's no negative sign, that is already our answer. Okay, but there's a negative there. So what are we going to do? Okay, we need to divide negative 1. Again, always remember, what you do on the left side, do it also on the right side. Okay, so don't forget that the equal sign or the inequality sign separates the left side and the right side of the equation. So we need also to divide 5 by negative 1. Okay, just like that. Then that cancels the negative, okay, leaving our x or the variable isolated. Okay, x. Then, okay, always remember, when you divide or multiply both sides of an equality by a negative number, do not forget to flip the sign. So this sign is less than or equal sign. Okay, so what will happen? It will become greater than or equal to. Okay, then the answer to 5 divided by negative 1, negative 5. Just like that. You got it. Our final answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 5. You got it. Now it's time to test your skills. Again, our objective, I can solve inequalities using division. You can do this. You can now bring out your paper and pen. Number 1, 3a is less than 18. 3a is less than 18. Number 2, negative b is greater than negative 4. Negative b is greater than negative 4. Number 3, 5c is less than or equal to 10. 5c is less than or equal to 10. Number 4, 6d is greater than or equal to negative 12. 6d is greater than or equal to negative 12. And number 5, negative e is greater than negative 9. Negative e is greater than negative 9. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. For more Math Made Easy videos with Mr. T, you can visit my channel at www.youtube.com Jason Timtimon Playlist. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.